Hi guys, myself Hemant. Welcome to my second video on MATLAB. Today we are going to deal with output formats. We have different types of output format depending on our requirement. We can display the particular number with 3 decimal place or with 4 decimal place or with 15 decimal place. For that we shall consider a variable x which is equal to the value 10 pi. This is a value of 10 pi. Now we have the first format type, which is format short. Here the command prompt will come, then press X there and press enter. The value of 10 pi 31.4159 will be displayed here. Then we have something called format short E. E here represents engineering type of data or engineering type of output or exponential type of output. You may have come across values where you express it in 10 power 6, 10 power 3 like that. It is same way of expressing the number. Press X. Now it shows 3.1416 e power 1. It means 10 power 1. When you multiply the number 3.1416 with 10, it becomes 31.416. But the wonderness of the short format is it shows only the 4 decimal places in a digit. Though you might have 6 or 7 decimal places, it shows only 4 or it considers only 4. When we have something called long format long, it shows 50, it considers 15 decimal places. It shows a digit or the value of 10 pi 31.415926 up to 7931 here. For double floating type of data, it shows or it considers 15 decimal places. For single floating type of data, it shows or it displays only 7 decimal places. Now it is format long, so it is showing up to 15 decimal places. You have something called format long E. It shows 3.1415 up to 15 decimal places here into 10 power 1. It expresses it in engineering format. Then we have something called format short G. This is a type of output formatting in which it shows only the 5 digits. Rounding a scientific number system, it shows only 5 digit. I will explain it to you later with a better example. Format short G X, that is 31.416. For example, let us consider number 12345.12345. It shows 12345. That means it neglects the decimal part here, right? In similar way, we shall consider 12345.67890. Then it shows the output as 12346 because it will be rounding off to 5 digits using, it will be like scientific number system, so it will be rounding off to 12346. In similar way, we have something called format hex. Press X. It shows hexadecimal number for the corresponding value of 10 pi. When you compare these two, here it will be same. It is the hexadecimal equivalent of 10 pi. The number what you're seeing here is hexadecimal equivalent of 10 pi. Then we have something called format bank, that press X here, it shows 31.42. Whatever be the length of the number it might be, it reduces the decimal place to the two decimal places only. Then we have something called format ratio. We just spell it as RAT. We just spell it as RAT. Don't spell it as RATIO. But while reading, we have to read it as format ratio. Press enter. Press X. It shows the ratio corresponding to the value of 10 pi. This is all these format types correspond to the number output. There are other two format types, output format types, which reduces the spacing between two corresponding lines. Say that is format compact. Press enter, it asks, press X. You can observe here the space between these two, x equals and 3550 by 113, is relatively larger when compared to the space here, right? We have something called format, not long, it's format loose. Press X, it again restores. Okay, it increases the space between the variable and its corresponding value. Here it is relatively lesser, here it is more. These are the different types of output formats that we deal in MATLAB. In next video, please stay tuned for type of operations that we are going to perform in MATLAB, that are arithmetic operations, logarithmic and trigonometric operations, complex numbers and exponential, and the way how we have to represent the corresponding numbers in the operation performance, so that we can get output without any errors. Please like, share and subscribe for my channel.